Rein In, Demystified, English language learning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase, rein in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it appropriately in conversations. Let's dive in. Rein in originates from horse riding. When you ride a horse, you use reins to control and guide the animal. If a horse starts to go too fast or in the wrong direction, you'd pull or rein in the horse to slow it down or change its course. In modern English, rein in is often used metaphorically. It means 1. To control or restrict someone or something from acting freely. 2. To limit or confine a particular action or behavior. For example, the teacher had to rein in the excited children during the school trip. The government is trying to rein in spending to balance the budget. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. After the scandal, the company decided to rein in its marketing strategies. 2. She needed to rein in her emotions during the meeting. 3. Local authorities are making efforts to rein in illegal trade in the area. Remember, the context is usually about controlling, limiting, or restricting something. A common mistake learners make is confusing rein in with rein in. Remember, rein relates to controlling, as with horse reins. Reign refers to the rule of a king or queen. So, when you're talking about control or limitation, it's always rein in. And there we have it. Now you understand the phrase, rein in, and how to use it correctly. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become a natural part of your vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you learn adds to your fluency. See you in the next video, and happy learning!